Hello, mariners. Hope you guys are doing well. So, today I am really very excited. Actually, the reason for this excitement is that I got my COC, and the main reason is that after a long waiting, finally I become the second officer. Basically, I received my COC. So, since this video I'm making a bit different from the motive of the video is that like the normal I video used to make for the study purpose, the topic related. In this video, the first I'm going to show you my COC, that how a COC look like, in what kind of envelope it's come. And the second thing, I'm going to touch the each and every perspective of preparing for your second mate exams. And also I'll be dealing with you like what all mistakes I had done. That is the main important point that I'm going to show you, and that you should bear in your mind, like from your starting of your function till the date once we cleared our COC. There are lots of mistakes that normally all candidates used to make. Well, that's a different scenario. Let me show you something. Okay, so the second point we will just talk it out. Let me first show you the COC. So this is what in kind of a form it used to come. It is written as do not fold because your mark sheet used to be inside that as well. This is the entire address. The most important thing, since I belongs to a very small village of Bihar, and I received this document here. It is written as a Bharat Sarkar's, and this is a very like the postman who has arrived to give me this certificate. They was like, "Oh, Bharat Sarkar, ऐसा कौन सा certificate आ गया तुम्हारे पास?" And like it was just a little bit awesome experience. I had experienced that. Anyway, now I'm going to open this. Here the sticker has been posted. You just need to be. I'm just give me 1 minute. I'll be opening this. Okay. So what I'm having inside my this is, okay, here we got it. Oh, okay. Okay. This is nothing. This is just things that where this is coming from, what he is sending, and you are requested to acknowledge the receipt of COC, where I'm going to acknowledge, so I'm just going to leave it. Is not compulsory. The second thing is what I'm having a Director General of Shipping. It's a mark sheet, and ये तभी आता है जब आप पास होते हो. Anyway, so the things I'm going to show you here is nothing. 50 मार्क्स पासिंग है तो 57 आया मेट्रो में. सेलेस्टियल में 142 पास. I had just scored 143. 3-4 नंबर ऊपर नीचे. That's all. ये कॉमन रिजल्ट. Even I had shown my lots of friends result. And this is what we are excited for. This is my COC. Okay. Okay. मिल गया भाई साहब लाइसेंस भारत सरकार का. एंड नाउ आई एम रेडी फॉर सेलिंग. In this COC, the most important thing that you need to look for all the pages, that all the pages to be filled wherever it has been stated that stamp to be there, all the pages to be stamped accordingly, none of the things to be missing. If you found any of the thing is missing, that there is no stamp in a particular page, you need to consult with your DG shipping, because this need to be signed. And okay, here is a page number 5. This page needs to be blank. Don't get confused कि ये page blank है. This is just because this is for the revalidations. Okay, here you will be getting a revalidations once you are going to like 5 year होती है expiry DG shipping हर एक चीज में 5 साल क्योंकि 5 साल बाद पैसा दो. So 5 साल बाद you need to renew it again. So वहीं पे आपका revalidation आएगा with your current photo and your things. Okay. So this is what I had got it. Let's move with the next very important topic, that what I had done, the mistakes that you should be aware of the things during the function time. जब हम जहाज से आते हैं, our pocket is flooding with the money, and at that time we are just flooded with money. And the mistakes what we used to do, अरे कल पढ़ लेंगे ना, परसों पढ़ लेंगे ना, that should be about it. The first thing, जो क्लास में चल रहा है, you should do it at an immediate moment. क्लास से आते हो 1 घंटा टाइम दो. जस्ट 1 hour इज मोर देन सफिशिएंट. उससे ज़्यादा आपको एक्सपेंड करने की जरूरत ही नहीं. 1 hour, दैट्स ऑल. give 1 hour daily basis. Complete the daily tasks, especially this is currently I'm talking about the written purpose. Written बहुत ही easy चीज़ है as compared to ये oral, क्योंकि oral में बहुत सारे चीज़ें होती है जो हमें touch करना होता है. Like I'm going to explain the what I had experienced. So currently I'm just talking about my mistakes, the mistakes what I had done. मैं after coming from the classes I haven't done any self study. The first mistake. The reason of behind that, because the new circular has come during that moment that we need to appear for your BSc examination, then only we will before your second mid attempt, or else we will be not getting our graduation certificates from the IMU. So that is the one more hectic thing. So from the friends and other, we had just that we have to give your so and so. So I had stopped about study. Not only me, but all my 4-5 friends. We had almost we had stopped studying. The Saturday, Sunday, there's 2 days to be given for a self revision. Just revise whatever the topic you are touching, whatever the things is going on. The third thing, the 2 things I discussed. Never ever wait for a time. Like since you had done your 4 months of your examination, the classes, after 15 days, 20 days, normally MMD starts to take every 2 months. MMD used to take written examination. So if there is a no COVID and these scenarios are not happening, so once your classes are finished, you need to appear for your second mid exam. So you should not bypass this. ऐसा मत सोचो अरे प्रिपेयर नहीं हूँ, I will appear for the next time. नहीं होगे. Next time भी you will not be able to prepare yourself. There is 100% chances, 90% chances कि आप prepare नहीं होगे. So just go for it. 2 पेपर रेडी है, 4 पेपर रेडी है, 5 पेपर रेडी है, जस्ट गो फॉर इट. खत्म करो उसको. 4 मंथ ब्रेक इज कंपलसरी हो जाता है. 2 मंथ रिटर्न आने में, 2 मंथ यू नीड टू टेक अप, बिकॉज उस वक्त कोई फॉर्म नहीं आएगा. सो दैट इज वन द थिंग्स दैट यू शुड गो फॉर इट. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द सम इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट अबाउट द ओरल. सो ओरल में सबसे पहला चीज ये होता है कि लाइक थ्रू which note is best for the Delhi MMD, Mumbai MMD, Noida MMD. There is no best notes. Just go with the past asked questions of all the surveyors. Make a sets of that questions. Whatever the notes now you are having, just collect that all the notes, and from that you start collecting the answers, the perfect answer which you are able to see. Also, contact with your friends who are appearing for the prospective oral at that moment. With the important thing, the prospective MMD. Like you are having 4-5 friends. One is preparing for Delhi MMD. One is giving oral from the Kolkata MMD. No. Look for the friend who is giving oral with you at the same MMD. Prospective MMD is very important because there are lots of surveyors who need the most important thing, you know the answer, but still you fail because you are not able to answer as per the surveyor expectations. That is the very important thing. So that is that point you need to remember, that always prepared according to the surveyor, not according to your function, because गेनिंग नॉलेज इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग एंड पासिंग एग्जाम इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. आपके पास कितना भी नॉलेज हो जाओ, आप ये नहीं आएगा, जहाज नहीं मिलेगा. सो क्लियर योर एग्जाम फर्स्ट. नॉलेज एग्जाम का प्रिपरेशन करोगे, नॉलेज आएगा ही, क्योंकि इफ यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी 1 पॉइंट, यू विल बी गेट लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स. ओके, द मोर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, द मिस्टेक्स ड्यूरिंग द ओरल व्हाट आई हैड डन. सो ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वॉज लाइक अरे अभी तो पहला अटेम्प्ट दे रहा हूँ यार, चलेगा इतना, ठीक है ब्लाइंड अटेम्प्ट दे रहा हूँ, चलेगा. दैट इज द माइंड सेट. तो आई वॉज वेटेड कि जब मेरा एक बार नंबर आ जाएगा कि मेरा ओरल होने वाला है, देन 15 डेज नॉर्मली टाइम मिलता है कि आपका नाम आ जाता है, उसके बाद आप 15 डेज बाद आपका नंबर होता है. सो ड्यूरिंग दैट मोमेंट आई स्टार्टेड स्टडी, which is not sufficient. For function 1, you need to spend at least 1 month. And in function 1, the very important things that you need to know and that you need to means by heart. Rule, ROR. Okay. All 19 rules to be memorized. There are lots of videos on the YouTube. From that, if once your understanding is cleared, you will be able to memorize as well. So 1 to 19 rules to be memorized. The second part's lights to be by hearted. First complete your lights from the book, then opt for the lights cards. In fact, I had made a video on the ROR lights as well, the ROR cards, by which you can go through that. You can have understanding that like what are the perspective and answer. Whatever the doubt you are having, you can join my Telegram, and so from there lots of we are preparing aspirants are there, so we can discuss doubts and whatever. The next thing, once we had cleared with the doubts, that's first lights, go for the annexes. All the annexes I had explained in my channel. You can go and just have a look to all the annexes and you will be clear. Also, I will, if required, I will send it in the description box so that you can directly go. Okay, this is about the function 1. Function 2, since I don't know about all the MMDs, I had given all exams from the Delhi MMD. So if you had done, I had done a tanker. So they will expect me everything that I can give them. So means they will not allow me a single mistake with respect to the particular vessel what I have done. For other vessels like for container, for bulk, the coded, they expect that it should be word by word, but if it is not, then it's okay, but understanding should be there. But for a, since I had a tanker, so I need to have all the knowledge of the tanker. Since if you have a bulk carrier, you should to have all the knowledge of your bulk carrier, including the codes, as well as like what is the chapter 1 of your IMSBC code, what is the chapter 2 of IMDG codes, everything. This is about the function 2. Function 3 is the main task of your third officer, that what we are going to do on the ship. LSA FFA. My dear friend, you need to be by heart every the things. There are lots of apps, especially I will recommend for this function 3 preparation. I will recommend you to go with MMD app because sorry, Polaris में आप जाओगे तो उसमें by with the every chapter, every functions, lots of notes are given, so you can refer that. MMD app and MarinePDA. MarinePDA is one of the very good app, you can say, as like the most questions, like मैंने तो बोल दिया तुमको कि यार पास्ट पेपर, पास्ट क्वेश्चंस देखो कहाँ से मिलेगा, पास्ट क्वेश्चन कहाँ से मिलेगा, MarinePDA ऐप उसमें दिया हुआ है. You will get all the collective sets of the surveyors what they have. So that's all. And whatever the questions, whatever the doubt you guys are having, you can comment it down. I will try to reply at the same moment in the chat box, or if there is any delay, so मैक्स टू मैक्स एक डे से ज़्यादा डिले करूँगा नहीं कोई भी रिप्लाई देने में. इफ़ पॉसिबल अगर जहाज पे चला गया, सो दैट इज़ द ओनली कंडीशंस वेयर इट विल बी डिलेड फॉर 1 day, or else there will be no delay for my, in fact you can see all this. Okay, so that's all. And guys, if you find this things informative, do like, subscribe and share with your friends. And that's all. And since I had cleared my second mid COC मतलब सेकंड अफसर, अब कंपनी क्या भेजने वाली है, सो आई ऑलरेडी कॉन्टेक्टेड विद द कंपनी. आई एम डूइंग कैम्फो टास्क ऑलरेडी डन, एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली विद इन 10 to 15 days I will be joining my ship. So that's all. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.